Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just a few minutes. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and insert your title. You're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle and then you're gonna make it fully rounded, give it a black fill and insert a text box in it. Now insert a rounded cornered rectangle and change its fill using your color palette. Next, what you're gonna do is just duplicate the rectangle into four. You're gonna insert your images in them. And you're gonna change the color of the rectangles as well. So let's use the eyedropper from the shoes to give the color. Here you go. Next, what you're gonna do is insert the add button. Here you go. Next, what we're gonna do is just add the add sign in the rectangle and then group it and then duplicate it and then move it on top of the other rectangles as well. And insert text boxes just below our rounded corner rectangle that will hold our title. Let's just duplicate them and then let's customize them. You're gonna add read more text as well. Next, what you're gonna do is group your shapes, duplicate your slide, and then expand this one rectangle, and increase the size of your text and insert your content text, and remove any of the like the other text that is more or not needed. Next, what we're gonna do is duplicate our slide and then we're gonna expand the uh, rectangle of this second rectangle as well. And now what we're gonna do is just move it, the shoe, we have to rotate it like this. And let's duplicate our slide again and expand the rectangle and increase the hue size. Duplicate the slide and then move this rectangle outside the slide and move the last rectangle onto the extreme left of your slide. Change its fill, rotate it like this, and increase its size. Duplicate your slide, the first slide, and then send it to the last. Select all of your slides and then give them morph transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos. You can also download this free template from the link in the description below.